William's gonna slip and slide. It's okay. Yeah, William. Oh, it's kind of cool. Oh my God. Oh God. That was such an epic build-up. I think that's what the weight limit's about.
Oh, William, he's going. William, run.
William, you got all wet. Do you want to take your shirt off like Uncle Danny, baby?
Yeah. Get my shirt off.
Okay. Here, Dave, hold.
Strip the shirt off, bro. All right, ready, William?
Arms up, baby. Arms up.
Put your arms up.
Oh, honey, is it really cold? Is it really cold?
All right, ready, William?
Look at that little body. I think that's why there's a weight limit.
Yeah.
Okay, get stuck. That's so cool, though. Look at that thing.
Anyone over 5 feet tall or 110 pounds, I don't think I quite make it. You ready, William?
Look at that little kid.
Are you ready? Come right in here. William. William. Come right here.
Oh, look at that body.
Well,
It's insane.
William, come over here and run. You gotta run and run onto it.
You're right there. Now you go.
Run
down. Can you run down?
You got it, baby.
I hope I don't slip.
Get your
Suit off, idiot. No shoes, no shirt, no problem.
What?
Come on, William, you
gotta
gotta run and
slip on
slide.
You gotta slip on it.
Honey, you got it, baby. You got it. Honey, Mommy's got a towel just in case you get too cold. Baby, you got it, babe. You want to try again? You can do it, honey.
William, you want me to push you?
No.
You want to run and go slide?
Okay.
William, I hope I don't fall.
Come
Okay,
slide
William.
down to me, Will.
Slide down to Daddy.
Can you slide down? Come slide
Can I
down.
push you?
Woo! Good one, William. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, baby, that was. I think, honey, you should flip over your pillow. It might work better. No, it won't.
You want to go?
Huh? Yeah, it's awesome.
Better
Yeah.
actually without that thing.
William, want to just go without the pillow? You might slide better. He doesn't like the dirt. Oh yeah, he's fucking OCD so bad.
Come on, slide down.
I got it, William. I got this one, William. Jen, you're next.
What?
fun, man.
It looks fun. I want to so bad.
Don't you like Go backwards and push your,
It's like pop out.
push your on your back. You're like this. You're like, yeah!
Oh my god.
Alright, let's put this down on here.
Actually better without that thing.
William, do you want to try it without the pillow? It might work better, baby.
Dude, it's fun at the end because it's all pooled there.
Right. Yeah, yeah.
It's like wet.
That's so cool.
We need to Good luck, William.
Oh, it's so much fun with the. I love the sprays.
Come on, William. Come on,
It kind
buddy.
of stinks that it's only got one side.
Yeah.
The other side just flies up.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on, baby, you got it.
You ready?
I'll do it, William. William, I got
Go.
it inside.
Oh, you can do it, baby.
You want to try it without that thing? Here, check this out, William. You gotta do this. Watch, ready? William, watch. You gotta run and you gotta slide.
Uh-oh. Ow.
Oh,
You ready to
didn't
do
work.
That was gnarly, Calvo. I will help.
I think he still needs to be pushed. Oh, Jesus! Oh, honey. That was good, baby.
Run, William.
Oh, honey.
See, this is supposed to lean over the.
Oh,
yeah,
it's going the wrong way.
Supposed to what?
Lean over it.
Like that.
Oh.
Tyler, you're good. Just sit.
Stay right here.
Go! Oh, William, slip and slide.
Ready, William?
Oh, yeah, that makes a difference.
I bet, yeah, there's wet everywhere.
You don't
You
need that,
can-
William. You want to just slide forward?
With your tummy? Just on your tummy?
Oh, thank you.
I love his body, it's so cute.
Thank you, William.
God. Oh, baby.
All right, Will. Are you ready?
I'll get it start again.
Not sure. Not sure.
Come on, baby.